Okay, so we will solve this one. Find the product of the quantity of 2x minus 1 times the quantity of x minus 3. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-apply natin yung FOIL method. Yung first, then outer, then inner, then last. So, dito muna tayo sa first. Multiply natin yan. So, that is 2x times x, that is 2x squared. Then outer, ito, outer, 2x, multiply natin kay negative 3, so that is negative 6x. Then inner, si negative 1, multiply natin kay x, so that is negative x. Then outer, or last, sorry, is negative 1, multiply natin kay negative 3, so that is positive 3. Then combine like terms, 2x squared, ito, combine natin yan. So, magiging negative 7x. Then, kopyahin natin yung plus 3. Okay, so sa choices natin, letter C is the correct answer.